and a special welcome again to the ICC Class 10 2022-2023 batch. Yes, I am too late. As you know very well that your senior brother and sister exam was going on and it got over perhaps 20 days ago, right? And after that, again I am promising you all people that everything we will be accomplishing together. That means syllabus completion, revision, PYQs, the most important, that is notes prescribed below or prescribed notes of the topper students, handwritten notes you people will be getting, PYQs will be getting, important question of the board examination you will be getting, each and everything you will be getting, the question which will be coming in the half yearly as well as annual exam you people will be getting. And my dear most children, again I wanted to say, if you are having Conscience Selina or as ICC Foundation book R.S. Agarwal Goyal brother Prakashan, the same book as well as Conscience Selina, please hold the pen as well as a book or else I can say pencil and start making the tick the reduced syllabus of the mathematics. Yes, 90% is similar like ICC 2021-2022 batch students. Similarly, in this particular scenario also somehow many reduces are not there, excluding one which is none other than similarity people. Clear? And yes, each and everything we will be doing over here, each and everything I promise again and again, starting with the chemistry, physics, mathematics, each and everything I will be bringing the all complete lectures for your people. Everything top to bottom, you can people trust me, and we gonna make the session the year amazing, right? Only the one I would like to mention, the one thing I would like to mention, please do subscribe. I never say regarding subscribe, but you have to subscribe, and especially you have to subscribe my Telegram as well as WhatsApp group. Even though people, please subscribe my WhatsApp group, please subscribe my Telegram. For more details you can get a more update over there. People, you can get easily more update regarding anything, notes, PDFs, each and everything you will be getting. I repeat, free of cost. Each and everything you will be getting. People, please do join the WhatsApp group as well as the Telegram group. People, clear? Let us start the reduced syllabus. Coming to the GST, Conscience Selina as well as R.S. Agarwal book, there is having not a single reduction. GST banking the same, not a single reduction. Clear? Share and dividend, complete entire chapter is deleted. Linear inequalities, again there is having not a single reduction. You can go with R.S. Agarwal, ML Agarwal as well as Conscience Selina. Quadratic equation, people, also there is having not a single reduction. Quadratic equation also many important question will be coming this year, many more, as well as this year little bit challenging for you all people. It will play a little bit challenging comparison to the last brother and sister year, and this time तुम्हें बहुत सारा मेहनत भी करना पड़ेगा बेटा, because you, if you want to work hard to gain a lots of result, to gain a very good result, it will be very challenging for you. It will be very, you know, I can say it will workload for you. And people, please do not keep any kind of backlog. People, please, नहीं आ रहा समझ में, comment करो. And also I want people, please you have to comment there what are the chapter has been completed in your school and which lectures you want that sir, which lectures you want that I should come very first for you. People, you have to comment there. If not, you have to directly you know, you have to text in the WhatsApp even which are the chapters that that you want that I should bring for your people. Even you have to comment right there what are the chapter has been accomplished by your school even. Clear? Coming to the quadratic equation and problems, there is not a single reduction. Yes, simple problems of the quadratic equation problem wala problems, word problem. In case of word problems, simple सवाल पूछे जाएंगे, difficult वाला नहीं पूछे जाएंगे. Difficult वाला क्या नहीं पूछे जाएंगे? when I will be letting you do quadratic equation, at the same time I will be saying which are the important question will be coming. Remainder and factor theorem, similarly not a single reduction. Ratio and proportion I have forgotten. Ratio and proportion beta, if you are following ML Agarwal, R.S. Agarwal as well as Conscience Selina, remember first exercise ratio वाला है जिसमें से ratio वाला काट दो. First exercise has been completely omitted. ML Agarwal, R.S. Agarwal as well as Conscience Selina, first exercise has been reduced, and after that proportion, continued proportion, जो कुछ भी पढ़ा हुआ है, जो कुछ भी है उसे करना है, excluding first exercise. और first exercise में जो कुछ भी examples होगा, right, starting 3 to 4 pages of ratio and proportion नहीं करना. Yes, ratio वाला नहीं करना, proportion वाला तुम्हें करना है, as your brother and sister was doing. Matrices, not a single reduction. AP, again the not a single reduction. GP, completely geometric progression, right? Generally it has been reduced, that means it has been deleted. Coordinate geometry, reflection reduce कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, midpoint section कुछ भी reduce नहीं हुआ, as well as equation of a line or else you can say equation of a slope वो भी reduce नहीं हुआ. Similarity, my dear most children, last year what it was, same this year also it is there. Means my dear most children, you have to do first exercise completely in a thorough way. I mean to say that if you are following Constance Selina, if you are following R.S. Agarwal, if you are following M.L. Agarwal, my dear most people, I wanted to say the first exercise is mandatory for you all people. That means first exercise तक तुम्हें mandatory कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ना, सब कुछ करना है. उसके बाद आता है BPT theorem, basic proportionate theorem. Basic proportionate theorem, what you have to do in case of basic proportionate theorem? Nothing. तुम्हें कुछ theorems वगैरह learn नहीं करना, SSS, RAS कुछ theorem वगैरह learn, practice नहीं करना, as it is excluded. Last year it is excluded, this year is also has been excluded people. What you need to do? Size transformation is excluded. Size transformation नहीं आने वाला, मैप्स एंड मॉडल्स नहीं आने वाला. क्या क्या आएगा तुम्हें अच्छे से बेटा 15A कॉन्स्टेंट सेलिना में जाओ, 15A अच्छे से करना है. एमएल अग्रवाल का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, आरएस अग्रवाल का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से करना है. कमिंग टू द ओनली एंड ओनली कॉन्स्टेंट सेलिना पीपल, 15B, 15C, 15D हैज बीन कंप्लीटली रिड्यूस्ड. दैट मींस पुट अ बिग क्रॉस 15B, 15C, 15D, पुट अ बिग क्रॉस. कमिंग टू द ओनली एंड ओनली कॉन्स्टेंट सेलिना, पेज नंबर 214, 214 to 228, put a big cross. If not, you can go with the Constance Selina point 15.5, 15.6, 15.7. 15.5 में BPT वगैरह रहेगा. BPT करना है मगर BPT वाला प्रूविंग नहीं करना, BPT अप्लाई करके तुम्हें congruent प्रूफ करना है, राइट? ABC is a triangle, PQR is a triangle, AB equals to PQ, BC equals to PR, ऐसे करके, और AC equals to PQ ऐसे करके करना. उसके बाद तुम्हें BPT प्रूफ करके करना, मगर उसका सवाल जो SSS थ्योरम्स वगैरह नहीं करना बेटा, राइट? एंड साइज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, RS अग्रवाल, ML अग्रवाल, कॉन्स्टेंस सेलिना, साइज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एज वेल एज मैप्स एंड मॉडल्स कंप्लीटली रिड्यूस दिस ईयर. एंड 15E कॉन्स्टेंस सेलिना, 15E one of the largest exercise in your Constance Selina as well as entire mathematics, which book you are following. Even though Constance Selina 15E 3 से 9 नंबर काट दो, नहीं करना. 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 22, 23, 25, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 एंड 34 तुम्हें नहीं करना. आई रिपीट 33 करना है, 32 एंड 34 तुम्हें नहीं करना. 32 एंड 34 तुम्हें नहीं करना. पुट अ बिग क्रॉस. सर्कल नॉट अ सिंगल रिडक्शन, सर्कल वन ऑफ द फेवरेट चैप्टर, नहीं करना. लोकाई पढ़ो, लोसाई पढ़ो, जो भी करना कंप्लीट रिड्यूस्ड. मेंसुरेशन, इस बार तुम्हारा जो मेंसुरेशन है बेटा, नॉट अ सिंगल रिडक्शन इज देयर. लास्ट ईयर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर व्हाट दे डिड ना, दे स्पीयर वाला समहाउ कट गया था, हेमिस्फीयर स्पीयर वाला, देन दे डिड नॉट रीड हेमिस्फीयर एंड स्पीयर वाला. समहाउ ये वाला सवाल भी कुछ खड़ा हुआ था सीबीएसई बच्चों के लिए, मगर दिस ईयर तुम्हें सब कुछ पढ़ना है बच्चों. फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ ए कोन, फर्स्ट टर्म वाला पार्ट रिड्यूस 3-4 साल पहले हो चुका था, इस बार भी नहीं आने वाला. ओनली यू हैव टू रीड सिलेंडर, कोन, स्पीयर, हेमिस्फीयर तुम्हें करना है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नॉट अ सिंगल रिडक्शन, हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस नॉट अ सिंगल रिडक्शन. एवरी बुक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एमएल अग्रवाल, सेलिना, RS अग्रवाल. स्टैटिस्टिक्स नॉट अ सिंगल रिडक्शन. लास्ट ईयर व्हाट हैपेंड, तुम्हें करना था एक मीन से. बच्चे बड़े बड़े भैया दीदी लोग क्या कर रहे थे, उनको एक मीन से अप्लाई करना था, इधर डायरेक्ट, शॉर्टकट और स्टेप डेविएशन में. मगर इस बार बच्चे तुम्हें 3 तरह का मेथड को याद करना पड़ेगा, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. डायरेक्ट को भी करना पड़ेगा, शॉर्टकट को भी करना पड़ेगा, स्टेप डेविएशन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू. प्रोबेबिलिटी नॉट अ सिंगल रिडक्शन, रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन आई टोल्ड. यस, समथिंग न्यू हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड, दैट इज कंस्ट्रक्शन. दिस टाइम कंस्ट्रक्शन इज देयर. Last year construction was not at all there. This year the construction is there. Yes, there is also having not a single reduction. This is all the end of the story of the Constance Selina. Coming stronger in the next session in case of physics, chemistry and other morning star of history and civics etc. My dear most people, it's an appeal to you, please do join the Telegram, please do join the WhatsApp, and please do share the same with your brother and sister. I mean to say, please do share with your friends, and the way I have described, even they should also get the benefit. Do not go anywhere. We're gonna do the dangle. अगर तुम्हें ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में पढ़ने समझ में नहीं आता है, टेंशन लेने का कोई बात नहीं, because I am there. Unacademy is there. What is Unacademy? Stay tuned for the next session. Unacademy, वहाँ पर special free classes I will be taking, especially in case of maths and physics. Everything. Only cop up with me, each and everything you can understand to score and to make you 90%. It's my open challenge. You people can score 90-95% if you will follow my strategy. Yes or no? बड़े बड़े बच्चे करके आए हैं, brother and sister. For more details you can see my past videos as well as comment section. People, again I would like to request people, please comment there what are the chapter has been completed by your school and which lecture you want that I should bring. Chemistry, physics, that mathematics and others, I will be bringing the same. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Coming strong in the next session in case of physics. Take care. See you. Bye.